Introduce features interest for MFT 20V Cordless Pressure Washer, Max 2.61 psi, Portable Pressure Washer, DC67101. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Portable Pressure Washer, the cordless design. Your MFT power washer allows you to bring it everywhere for not only doing car wash yourself but showering your pets on wide lawns. It's lightweight at only 7.72 pounds and is also women-friendly. The 19.7 feet hose greatly improves the efficiency of your cleaning job in a long distance from a bucket, pool, lake, or any water source. You can use the battery power washer by fully charging for 1 hour and check its remaining battery capacity on the washer. 4-in-1 rotatable spray mode. Your MFT pressure washers create variable pressures in 4 spray modes: 0, 15, 25, and 40. The battery power washer makes your cleaning job easier and more convenient. You can adjust the spray modes for the cleaning jobs, such as cleaning the outside of high-rise windows, cars, or other stuff dirt, watering trees, showering your pets, etc. Thus, this 4-in-1 multiple functional cordless portable power cleaner helps you save more money on different cleaning jobs. Max 2.61 psi power cleaner. Your MFT battery pressure washer can generate up to 2.61 psi when you are doing your cleaning jobs. The electric pressure washer can discharge water just in seconds, and 2.51 gallon water will come out per minute from the cordless pressure washer. You have the guarantee of performing your cleaning chores in the shortest time possible. Therefore, it is of great efficiency to remove dirt and stubborn stains. Your high pressure power cleaner. Safety insured. Your MFT cordless portable power cleaner comes a safety trigger lock. You can lock the handle whenever you do not want to use the battery pressure washer, and your washer will automatically stop working. The function features to avoid children accidentally playing the power washer and decrease the risk of getting hurt. This cordless pressure washer would be a perfect match for a family lots of children. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.